Hey guys, these are my 5 things that annoy me. So I hope you enjoy. Or don't. Number 1, when people do this. Are you done? Are you? Because I think you freaking are. Number 2, when people do this in their videos. So, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so, yeah. Oh, shut up! Number 3, when people wear gothic stuff. When I'm listening to my iPod and people keep talking to me. Yeah, man, did you hear about that game last night? Oh my god, he hit a home run, yo! Dude, I don't even know what happened, man! I will cut you. And number 5, when the dentist is trying to do my teeth and he's talking to me at the same time. 'Cause that's logical. I can totally talk through my nose.